Hello, hello, hello! Sa lahat ng Capricorn, magandang araw. Welcome back. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa akin channel, we will manifest LOVE sa inyong Tagalog LOVE reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so for today, ang gagawin natin ay ang inyong no contact love reading. Okay, so tignan natin ano yung masasagap kong energy ng Capricorn regarding you and your person at bakit in no contact kayo. At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Capricorn na nakasubaybay sa aking channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. At sa mga bago, please support my channel by subscribing. Saka by liking this video and sharing it sa iba pang Capricorn na kilala nyo. Saka comment na rin kung mag-resonate itong reading. Okay, maraming salamat sa suporta ninyong lahat. Okay, and gusto ko lang i-remind kayo na this is a collective reading at dahil collective reading nga siya, this may or may not resonate sa inyo. So kung hindi siya mag-resonate, okay, wag nating pilitin. Ano siya. And, ayun, it means na hindi para sa inyo itong reading na ito. So, abangan nyo na lang yung masusunod ko pang love reading. Okay? Kaya, yun, subscribe na para updated kayo. Okay? So, what I'll do is I'll use the tarot to see the recent past, present, and near future between you and your person. Okay. Tapos, isi-seal ko siya with the oracle card, which is the advice from the universe. Sige, simulan na natin. Okay, in the recent past. Okay, in the recent past. Natin. Magician, Knight of Wands, and Page of Swords. At the present, the Fool, King of Wands, and Knight of Cups. At sa near future, the Devil, Queen of Swords, and Nine of Wands. Okay. So, si the Magician, Knight of Wands, and Page of Swords, lumabas siya sa recent past. Tapos, at the present moment, the Fool, King of Wands, and Knight of Cups. And then sa near future, there's the Devil, Queen of Swords, and Nine of Wands. Okay, so tingnan natin, alamin natin. There's a strong energy of Aries and Aquarius, saka Capricorn sa reading na to. So, pwedeng, at Gemini and Virgo. So, pwedeng yun yung signs ng person ninyo but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung nasasagap kong energy. Strong energy at the moment. Okay, sige. So, tingnan natin. And in the recent past, ito yung tao na talagang gustong-gusto ninyo. Ginusto nyo siya, minanifest nyo siya, pinagdasal ninyo tong tao na to at dumating naman siya sa buhay ninyo. Okay? However, as shown here by the Knight of Wands, and very eager naman tong person na to pursue you. Gusto kanya, pinursu kanya, and as shown here with the Page of Swords din, nagkaroon kayo ng ang tawag doon? New beginning sa relationship. Kaso kasi, as shown here also by the Page of Swords, may pagka-immature yung person ninyo. And ayaw niyang express ng todo yung feelings niya. Kasi nga may sense of immaturity pa siya. Pwedeng mas bata tong person na to sa inyo. Okay, pero tignan natin. Let's clarify it more with this card. Okay. No, the Devil. Oops. Ano ba siya? Bakit kaya? And the magician again. Okay. So, okay. So, may, kaya nagkaroon kayo ng no contact kasi may toxic behaviors tong person na to. And, tinry niyang i-manipulate yung situation and gawa ng paraan. Okay? Kahit na ito yung person na kahit gusto nyo siya and minanifest nyo yung person nito and I mean, there's so much desire, kagustuhan nga na maging kayo, kaso meron siyang toxic behaviors. Okay? And itong toxic behaviors na to that led to an issue between the two of you, nagkaroon ng conflict. Okay? And parang as shown here also, as the will confirmed by the magician is there's, alam mo yun, parang ayaw niyang mag-initiate. Walang initiative. Okay? Wala rin initiative. Kasi the magician is also a card of willpower or making the first move or taking action. So, mag-initiate ba? Pero itong person na to walang initiative. Okay? And dahil nga medyo immature nga siya, okay, may energy of immaturity dito sa person to, and yun nga yung nagiging yung immaturity na yun is kind of a toxic behavior niya. Okay? Kaya nagkaroon ng issues, conflict, and now you're in no contact with this person. So at the present moment, you're trying to have a fresh start. Okay? Okay, you're free from this connection. Okay, and as shown here by the King of Wands is you're being, alam mo yun, you're taking action and being ikaw meron kang very proactive ka na tao. And ngayon na merong bagong simula for you and na free ka na from the connection from this person that you find very immature. Okay? And ngayon, merong unexpected na mangyayari din between the two of you. Parang, as shown here by the Nine of Cups, meron siyang gagawin unexpectedly at paparamdam siya and mag-offer siya ulit. Mag-offer siya ng bagong simula between the two of you. Okay? So, let's clarify. Tignan natin ano yung gagawin nitong person na to. Oh, Nine of Swords and Knight of Swords. Okay. So, kasi medyo okay, sige. So, si Nine of Swords and Knight of Swords, okay, medyo cautious ka na. Okay? Babalik nga tong tao na to pero magiging cautious ka. Okay? You will guard your heart. Okay? And you will be, alam mo yung eagerness mo to welcome this person, hindi ganun katindi as before. Okay? So, dahil nga kilala mo na siya, meron siyang immature personality or immature trait. Pag bumalik tong person na to, kahit gusto niya ng panibagong simula, and I can sense na in your mind, gusto mo rin sana ng panibagong simula. Pero kasi, makikita mo nga na, alam mo yun, parang, dahil nga, alam mo na yung personality ng tao na to, magiging cautious ka. Okay? Hindi ka basta-basta magpapadalos-dalos sa sa connection na to. Hindi mo siya basta-basta i-welcome agad-agad. Yung eagerness na meron ka before, medyo sakto lang, parang ganun. Yung, okay, darating siya, sige, tingnan natin ano yung gagawin niya, pero wala nang ganong parang excitement on your part, kasi nga, alam mo na yung tendencies nitong tao na to. And, lalo na lumabas siya, again, yung devil energy na to, which is yung toxic behavior na yon, yung pagiging immature niya, ulit siya, lalabas ulit siya kasi in the near future as shown here. Lumabas ulit yung devil card. Okay? And yung sa Queen of Swords, you will be firm with your boundaries. Queen of Swords is requiring boundaries and being firm about it. So, I don't think na i-entertain mo pa to, yung behavior na to, yung immaturity ng person na to. You'll be firm with your boundaries. And as shown here with the Nine of Wands, okay, na, ayun, sorry. Yung magiging cautious ka pala in the near future. Okay? Let me just rephrase yung sa present mind. Nine of Swords. So, si Nine of Swords is, so na-mix up ko lang siya with Nine of Wands. In my mind, Nine of Wands siya. So, Nine of Swords, okay, you will be overthinking this. Para maging anxious ka. Similar din naman yung energy niya na yung maging cautious ka. Kasi it will give you so much anxiety. Kasi meron, parang may traumatic experience ka with this person because of the immaturity niya and yung naging toxic nga yung behavior niya sa'yo. Okay? And in the near future, ayun, yun na, tama na, si Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands, you will guard your heart, your boundaries will be higher. I mean, magkakaroon ka ng stronger boundaries, and magiging firm ka about your boundaries because you want to guard your heart from that behavior, okay? And as shown here, clarified by the Moon and Three of Pentacles. So the Moon is a card of tawag doon, yung may insecurity kasi itong person na to, kaya siya immature din. Parang may mga insecurities siya and parang nagmamanifest yun sa behaviors niya as something immature, di ba? And pero here, yeah, yung Three of Pentacles naman, it's growth on your end. Kasi nga, meron ka ng stronger boundaries and you will guard your heart. Okay? And from here, yung mga insecurities na meron tong person na to it requires growth from this person. Kailangan na niya mag-shift from immature to someone mature, as shown here by the growth card, and he or she has to make an effort. Okay? Else, wala. Kung hindi niya hindi ka niya mamimit sa level mo, sorry, di ba? Better na no contact kayo kung ganun. Kasi kung hindi ka niya mamit sa level mo, wala, babalik lang siya dito. Uulit lang siya. 'Di ba? Uulit lang yung cycle. Babalik lang siya to something na hindi mo rin ikasasaya. Okay? So, sana mag-manifest. Sana nag-resonate itong reading na to sa inyo. And, yeah, I hope this helps. Kita-kits na lang sa susunod pang love reading. Okay? Pero bago yan, isil natin itong reading na to with an advice from the universe. Okay? Ano bang advice niya? Yeah, get into the energy of the vortex. Trust your higher consciousness. Tama. So, nandito ka na sa level na to eh. Ito ka na. Nasa, yung level mo is higher, you're more mature, diba? And you have your boundaries na set. So, yep. So, stay with that. Diba? Hindi mo kailangang bumaba sa level ng person na yon. Siya dapat yung mag-adjust para sa iyo. Okay? So, kita-kits sa susunod pang love reading. Ako nga pala si Mystica Moreno. And, abangan nyo na lang. Dito lang. Mismo. Ingat!